Hey guys, I'm going to stick my phone on a tripod and I want to talk about some of the functions on this Yaesu FTdx-3000. I believe the functionality of the front end and mixer and IF architecture scheme are the same in this rig and the FTdx-1200 and the FTdx-5000. And I don't know about the new FTdx-10, is it called? Or the other higher end one, the one that superseded the FTdx-5000. I think they all have these, what I'm about to say, in common. So I'm going to put it on a tripod and talk about at least. I'd like to talk about at least how I use this radio and what I've found to be true with my antennas and my setup. Others may have a different experience, and that's kind of what I'm curious to see. So I'm going to stop this and carry forth in a minute. And I'll be pausing the camera in between thoughts probably because it's not scripted. I'd rather have leukemia than script a video. Just joking, man. Mother Nature, I'm just joking, man. It's called bullshit. Okay, hang on. Check it out, guys. A channel recommendation from Chuck. I highly suggest watching the genius content done by Buzz 1151. The first couple times I watched his stuff, I couldn't take it. I bailed. And then a week later, I tried again, and I stuck around, and I loved it. Buzz uses a lot of sound drops all throughout his videos, every video. And man, some of them are just a grin. I love the sound drops he uses for various occasions and events in his videos. Now, Buzz is no stranger to video production. He looks like when he was like maybe 16 or 18, way back when, because he's my age, man, he was into making homemade horror flicks on black and white Super 8. And he's shared some of it, and it's crazy cool. Crazy cool. And Buzz, he's a radio restorer. And he's got an alter ego named Dickel Aflockett, who's a gnome. I never realized that Dickel Aflockett was Buzz's alter ego until another commenter pointed it out, and I started to see it, the similarities between devious little Dickel Aflockett and Buzz. Not that Buzz is devious, but just the basic personality type. You've got to check out his work. You want to see Dickel? I don't think Buzz will mind. Hang on. Okay, let's try that again.
Later this month, so I better get busy and line up a date. Now, who should I ask? Carla Stromberg Carlson? Nah, that won't work. She's in jail. This is pathetic. Here I am, a handsome, charming, sexy gnome, and I don't even know any hot babes. Wait, I've got an idea. What's the name of that YouTube lady from New Jersey who sent Buzz her radio to fix? What was her name? Oh, I got it. It was Miss Moose. I'm going to call her up and ask her for a date.
Oh, poor Dickel Aflockett, man. He can't find himself a date, nor can he find himself a bottle of whiskey when he wants one, which is basically every day. And by the way, did you guys know that Dickel Aflockett is the reason Donald Trump won in 2016? I'm not going to tell you why. You subscribe to Buzz's channel and look at his old work right around that time frame. You'll see. 73. So hey guys, in closing, another channel recommendation or two. A steaming, well, almost, cup of hot swill. I recommend the Walmart brand, house brand instant coffee. It's delicious. Makes the scalp tingle. 3 tablespoons per large cup. And you're all set. Second recommendation, the CW. Need I say more? I'll be taking a break after I post one more video. I want to post a video of my Heath kit, I wish. My Yaesu FTdx-3000. And point out some of the things I've noticed with setting it up for optimal performance with both its analog IF chain, its roofing filters, and its DSP functions. Because the same features are used, the same architecture is used in the FTdx-1200, the 3000, the 5000, and what's that, an FTdx-101 maybe? And I don't know about the new QRP rig. I don't know. But anyway, so I'll be taking a break after I post that video for about a week while I record the Heath kit restoration first looks. Okay? 73 guys. Be well, have fun, and take care. Really, phone? You want to try stopping this time? 73. Wow, really? Wow, my fucking phone won't stop recording. Oh my God, really? You want to stop now? Huh, it's locked up in record mode. Really, phone? Damn, really? Why? My phone